Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you can tell by the title, in today's video we're going to be talking about bangs. I have my hair wrapped up right now because I basically have it prepared for the video. I don't want the video to be too long. There are also going to be some alternatives in this video as far as, you know, if you want an accessory in your hair or if you do not. Also, I'm going to share with you guys the tools that we're going to be using today. You are going to need some bobby pins, which I bought this from the beauty supply store for about $2. You're also going to need some rubber bands. I have the large ones and I have the smaller one. Really, it's your preference, but I have both of them because depending on the style that you want to do, the bigger ones may be more beneficial to you rather than the smaller ones. These will come in handy for you, so you may want to get these. The last thing that you're going to need are pipe cleaners. You can get these from your local craft store. They're really not hard to find. You can even find them in Walmart. So yeah, so you want to get your pipe cleaners. I'm not going to be talking in the rest of the video as I did for my first styling video because I just kind of want you guys to see rather than hear me talking all the time. Yeah, so we're just going to jump right into it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram at Aesthetic Femme, which is the name of my channel. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As you can see, there were a few alternatives that I put in there for you guys that, you know, like a little pizzazz in your style. These styles were super easy. They weren't time consuming at all. Just be sure that you wet your bang before you start styling, especially when you do the pipe cleaners, because if your hair is dry, they will not cooperate, trust me. think they won't. That's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe again. All right, guys, bye.